Join the STATE16 community webinar, live on Zoom, July 22 at 20x Israel time. Explore robotics, embodied intelligence, guardrails, open robotics ecosystems, and production-grade physical AI with leading experts. Register now and save your spot.
My name is Barak, and I'm the founder and CEO of STATE16, which STATE16 is a startup company, but we have the STATE16 community that you are welcome to join this community with the QR code that we have on the right side of the screen here. So just scan and why not, we can approve you. In this community, which is pretty new, okay, we're live about 3 weeks so far. We have about 300 members worldwide that are curious about one question, which is why or when can we apply physical AI safely manner, in a safely speaking manner. So the idea is to ask the question of safe action that any model, world model, VLA, VLM, world model, whatever you like, will generate. We want to know that it will safely act in the real physical world. And in the community, we have the GitHub where we can upload some papers, code, dataset. We have some project that we have already launched, and we will share at the WhatsApp group. This is the main channel of this community. I will share some unique dataset of manipulators, of autonomous driving car, and publish it also in our area at the Eigenface website. Also, if I say Eigenface, then I will say that this is a good opportunity to say hello to Steven Palma from Eigenface. I think that you can see him right now. Is our special guest. In every session we will have a special guest. So I know that Mike wanted to be the first special guest, but Mike, you're always special. And this time we will specialize Steven, which also is the lead of the Le Robot at Eigenface, and also the small VLA model. He was one of the others at the paper and the main contributor to the project. So he will introduce himself later on at this webinar. And we have also Mike that introduced himself, Omri Eitan, Yorai, Faimaser, and Ori Nahum. All of them will present this webinar, each one about 10 up to 15 minutes talk. If you have questions, feel free all the time to write down the question on the chat, okay? And we will try to answer, once we see it. And with that, with this, we will start. So this QR code is very important. If you are not at the community, please join us. And I want to start with my very short, by the way, talk, which is about the company, okay, about the company STATE16, where I established about 4 months ago this initiative, this venture about verification infrastructure for physical AI, what we call physical intelligence. And part of you know me from the academy, part of you know me from my previous startup, Alma Technology. So I will do it really fast. This is one slide about me, myself, and I. I have a PhD at this field of AI, specifically machine learning for navigation system. I hold 5 patents at the USPTO, and they are granted. I have additional one pending, but who cares until it's not granted, it's just pending. And I have about 10 years at the autonomous vehicle area. And my entrepreneurship road was with Alma Technology, deal with navigation without GPS, and then I established Artificial Gate Ltd, which is a kind of a small Coursera website, but for AI development classes. And STATE16 is my current venture. I also worked in the previous with Qualcomm, which I really like to work there, in the fingerprint project, and Autotalks, which not related but acquired by Qualcomm. And in the AI Academy, let's call it like that, I serve as a director for the deep learning and AI development track at the Google and Reichman AI Tech School. I'm also served as a lecturer at the Technion with the chemical engineering faculty, and mostly I teach machine learning, physical AI, deep learning classes, and I also lecture at the Reichman University Entrepreneurship School. So maybe you know me from there, but eventually I really like the part of the AI and deep learning development. So with that, I believe, okay, and this is about beliefs now, that the next problem in AI, and we see many problems those days, will be coming the engineering system, okay, because the AI will be an engineering system, and engineering system is something that we need to deal with. What is engineering system? It means that the AI can generate, design, plan, simulation, trajectory, control, and many others, and those outcomes are physical outcomes. This is not text, this is not image, this is not video. And then we need to ask ourselves if those AI decision or generative outcomes are physically valid. And every engineering agent will eventually require a verification engine. So actually STATE16 is about verification and validation. This is a very old-fashioned terminology from system engineering if someone here comes from this background. And what we are suggesting is one approach to all of autonomous vehicle platform. No care if this is an arm, quadcopter, driving car.
But critical. In physical AI, confidence is not authorization. A model may look certain, the action may look reasonable, the system may even appear fully operational, but that does not mean the action is safe. A robot can act on a stale map. A drone can follow corrupted sensor data. A world model can build the wrong picture of reality and still generate a confident action. Before a proposed action reaches the hardware, there must be an independent runtime check. Is the state reliable? Is it allowed here, now, under the current constraints? And can the decision be reconstructed later? That is the shift from model prediction to runtime authorization. At STATE16, we believe physical AI needs more than intelligence. It needs runtime integrity.
And how it works is the following. We believe today that the model is not exactly SaaS. We actually developing a platform. We call it the Physical AI Runtime Integrity Platform. And you can see the name. This is AMI, which stands for Autonomy Integrity Multi-Environment. And if you know me, then you notice that AMI is also the name of my second daughter. The first daughter is Alma, after Alma Technologies. Second is Amy. And no, I see on the chat the question, I have no son names Artificial Gate because it's too weird. If I will have a son one day, then I will call him AG because it's too weird to call him Artificial Gate. But this is just personal issue that I need to solve with my friend Elon, if you know. Elon Musk is also with this crazy thing of names. So I don't care exactly if we speak here about world model, engineering agents, simulation, actually digital twins. It's so 2024. Actually, what we care is about the output of those models. And eventually, if you take those output, we suggest to take them all into the AMI verification engine, which give us the physical validity, any trust score, any number between 0 to 1, a verification evidence, and of course, before the deployment, we suggest to play at the failure discovery. So eventually, we call it the guardrails, the guardrail of the physical AI world. Okay, this is guardrail for physical AI. So this is the platform that we present, the STATE16 runtime integrity layer. This is the real time, and something to give us any evaluation to say how much we trust on this AI at the physical world. So I will play this 50 second, 50 seconds stream here, and let's.
Welcome to STATE16, the Physical AI Assurance. Introducing AIMA, Autonomy Integrity, Multi-Environment, STATE16's Mission Assurance Platform, designed to validate systems before they operate in the real world.
Start by defining the environment. Continue to define a platform. Plan the mission and trajectory, and optimize it.
Apply failure scenarios and discover disasters before deployment in the real world.
Run simulations and discover what guardrails will save your platform. Then apply them on your AI models. Track the AI integrity performance. Test various vehicles in several environments. Then you can switch to the underwater platform. Calculate the blind spots. Evaluate the performance of several VLA models and keep your physical AI safe with STATE16. Make sure AI doesn't hallucinate in the physical world.
Can you? So this is just a quick demonstration about on our platform, and we made a very specific and small validation so far on one of the amazing data sets that exist on the Hugging Face robot. This is the push-T famous data set, and we proved there that we can prevent with one approach 87.7% of invalid proposal. And this is also, the first benchmark that give us some power and motivation to keep with this direction. And with that, I want to say, first of all, thank you for joining us for this webinar. And I really consist and encourage you to join our community. This community has one goal. This is the physical AI guardrail, the physical AI assurance, and you have the QR code here that you can scan with your smartphone. Just open the camera and put it on the screen and join us to the WhatsApp. And with that, I will say thank you for listening.